They also lead it 2-1. Noel Zanate alongside Mosi Ravena and Rina Villamor. Tina Salak. Long. 16-13. Alam mo, dikit pa ito ha. Pwede pa ito para sa FEU.
This is not over.
And the way Tabaquero has all of a sudden upped her game here in the fourth set. Anything's possible. Eulalio. Bunag. Salak. Michelle. Oh, that was whose ball is it going to be? Tabaquero not able to get there. 17-13. Yonko to serve. Giselle C. for Ivy Remulla. Tabaquero off the block. Here's Michelle Carolino. Grabe, down the line nun.
My goodness. Parang tumulay sa alambre.
And just to let you know, folks, Michelle Carolino is already in her 30s. And she's still getting the job done day in and day out. Timeout, Nes Pamilar. Maganda sa lineup pa rin itong FEU, no? They are down. Probably, hindi nila alam that they can still get this. They still can, pero nakangiti pa rin sila.
Oh, yes. And, again, ganda rin naman na nilalaro nila in this game.
Right. They're just up against a very strong team, but
that's right.
Kaya pa nila. They're still within striking distance. It's a 5-point lead. Yonko to serve. Palma did not get to the quick attack on time.
That's right. Ito pa yung kailangan i-build ni Giselle C. At ito si Palma. Yung connection na yan, especially at the quick
pero gusto kong project
play.
Itong
yung
si
quick
Palma.
Play na yan. Ay, pag yan ang natuto ng quick. Napakalaki.
That's going to almost assure a championship for FEU. Here's Salak. Mayet Carolino goes through the defense.
That's right. Still getting that.
20-13. If it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Yari Yonko. Combination this time for Tabaquero, who gets it in.
That's right. And again, once again, Tabaquero just finding those sweet spots. Ang galing niya dun sa yung akala mo papaluin kasi biglang soft push.
Yan ang volleyball intellect. Napunta rito kay Angeli Tabaquero. A good service ace. So again, Tabaquero, who has scored more points here in the fourth set than she has the entire game, is now starting to become a factor once again for FEU. Down by 5. And all of a sudden, Tabaquero loses gasoline. Lalangiti para dito kay Angge. She knows na kaya pa ito.
Oh yes.
She knows it.
Kung meron mang alam yan yan yung mga players na who has played in big time games at has been to this situation so many times.
Yes, yung magtitinginan lang sila ni Rhea Di Maculangan sa ni Aisa Mai. So kaya pa natin to. But not with attacks like that coming from Dakis. 22-15. 3 points away from a 2-0 start in the Open Conference for the Philippine Army. But this time, medyo pinadaan sila sa butas sa karayom nitong FEU. FEU can still come back in this one. Here's Ivy Remulla. Salak for Dakis. Here's Patrona. Dakis on the dig, but it goes back to FEU.
Another chance for Patrona.
Off the net, Bunag reaches for it. Salak, to whom it may concern. And there is another block there registered by Joanne Bunag. They go to Patrona. Again, nothing is working for FEU. Dakis Blocked that time by Ivy.
But still playable.
And Giselle C, not the right time to do that. Bunag, still alive. Ivy drops it, it's still alive. Rachel Andakis.
Should
Patrona.
Patrona on her 17th point of the ball game.
Natawa na lang doon ito si Salak nung nakita niya hindi ko abot. Yung reaction dito ni Tina, ganda, priceless. Pagkuha niya gano'n, sabi niya,
Gusto ko, pero hindi ko abot.
hindi abot. 22-16. Banyel is in for Ivy Remulla. And Acuna is also back in front. Salak, quick set, Bunag. FEU is still clawing here. Salak, going to Dakis. Nice block by Acuna. Carolino.
By Bayet Carolino.
Here's the attack for Patrona. Bunag, Salak, Dakis. And now Banyel going to Patrona again. Wow.
Why not? 16 attack points for Patrona of her 47 attempts.
Yan, ganyan siya kasipag sa game na to. 22-17. Banyel again on the serve. Salak, oh, that one drops in. Well, everything
As
is...
Patrona shrieks.
Ginawa na ni Tina Salak lahat sa game na to.
Lahat. Tina Salak just very steady and has led that her squad. If they come to win this one, talagang naging big part itong laro ni Tina Salak today.
Michelle, Salak, Joanne Bunag. Match point now for the Philippine Army.
Of course, there's also etong si Bunag, John Bunag.
Right, and
Both
Dakis.
si Rachel Landaki, si John Bunag, both in defense and offense.
Banyel, Patrona, Dakis on the dig. Salak, Michelle, still denied there by Palma. And Joanne Bunag says, uwi na tayo.
Oo nga.
So another win for the Philippine Army, but this time it took them 4 sets against the hard-fighting FEU Lady Tamaraws. And again, at the end, the Tamaraws actually benefit a lot from this because of the training they got. Shaky shake and play right here. Just talk about the resiliency of the Philippine Army and Joanne Bunag, who puts it away for the victory.